Introducing the Floor Scrub Brush, the robust and dependable companion that takes the grunt work out of floor cleaning, leaving your surfaces gleaming with newfound brilliance. This isn't just a scrub brush, it's the unsung hero of your cleaning arsenal, ready to tackle dirt and grime with the tenacity of a dedicated cleaning warrior. Crafted with more durability than a suit of armor, the Floor Scrub Brush is set to make your cleaning endeavors as powerful as a medieval knight charging into battle. Picture it as your cleaning champion, scrubbing away stains and spills with a strength that leaves no room for compromise. And let's talk about versatility. This scrub brush isn't just for one type of flooring, it's the surface conqueror for your tiles, hardwood, or any area that requires a thorough scrub. It's like having a cleaning sidekick that adapts to the demands of your floors. No more switching between various cleaning tools for different surfaces. What makes this scrubbing marvel stand out? It's not just about scrubbing, it's about adding a touch of efficiency to your cleaning routine. No more bending over awkwardly or spending hours on your hands and knees. The Floor Scrub Brush is here to make every stroke a controlled and effective cleaning experience. It's like having a scrub brush that understands the art of powerful yet precise cleaning. Moreover, this scrub brush is a time-saving powerhouse. In a world where every minute counts, it's the cleaning virtuoso that tackles tough stains and dirt swiftly, letting you reclaim your time for more enjoyable activities. It's like having a personal cleaning warrior, ensuring your floors are pristine without the need for a prolonged battle. But there's still more. Additionally, the Floor Scrub Brush is your key to simple upkeep. This brush's sturdy bristles and frequently ergonomic design make it sturdy enough to withstand cleaning pressures while maintaining a comfortable grip. It's similar to having a cleaning tool that takes care of your hands while operating effectively. And do not be alarmed if you are among those who doubt its durability. This scrubbing marvel is built to handle even the most difficult cleaning tasks, making it a dependable partner for all of your long-term cleaning requirements. I appreciate you watching, and don't forget to click the like and subscribe buttons. I'll see you in the next video. Continue to enjoy the remainder of your show.